How many anti-detect profiles are you willing to set up by hand? 1? 2?
But what if you need dozens or even hundreds?
Repetitive, mind-numbing clicks and mistakes are bound to happen. Name the profile, set the fingerprints, copy-paste the proxy, double-check. Again, name, fingerprints, proxy, check. Exhausting, right? Let's speed things up and make profile creation painless. In this video, I'll show a script that automatically builds profiles in Octo browser. Who is this script for? First, traffic arbitrage teams and anyone whose work demands hundreds or thousands of isolated profiles. If every profile needs its own proxy and unique fingerprints, this script is a must-have. It can save you hours of mind-numbing routine. Quick demo. Let's create a profile manually. No commentary, just create, add a proxy, give it a name, and see how long it takes. I've fast-forwarded the footage to spare you the wait. Total time, 1 minute. Keep that number in mind. Now let's run the script and see how fast it does the same job. I won't even speed this up. By the way, Octo offers bulk profile creation right in the desktop client, but at scale it's often more convenient to work through the API. $21 for 50 profiles, 0.42 seconds per profile. Impressive. And most importantly, every profile is ready to use. Let's quickly run through the settings and files you need. Everything's on my GitHub, but I'll show it on screen. You'll need .env, where you put your Octo browser API key, the file names for cookies and proxies, and the number of profiles to generate. Next up, the proxy file. Simple CSV. Type HTTP or SOCKS. Host, port, username, password. You get these details from your proxy provider. Here's what it looks like in a real dashboard. Pick the country, region, and city if required, and copy the resulting details into the proxy file. In short, the more profiles you plan to create, the more proxies you need to list. Optionally, prepare cookies.json. If you have unique cookies, drop each JSON blob on its own line. If not, skip the file. The repo also includes a README with full instructions and requirements text with the dependencies. Now, the script itself. As you've guessed, it talks to Octo browser through its API. You can get API only is on a paid plan. Before you hit run, double-check these steps. Download Octo. Log in locally. Copy the API key from the desktop app into .env. In short, the script reads the API key, loads proxies and cookies, skips cookies if the file is missing, checks how many profiles to create, and pushes everything to Octo via the API. If profiles equals 0, it creates as many profiles as you have proxies. If you ask for more than proxies, it will reuse proxies. Keep that in mind. While it runs, you'll see each profile's UUID printed to the console. Open Octo, the profiles are there. Enjoy!